Hey everyone, welcome back to Financify. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add the Buffalo network to your Bitget wallet. If you find this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more content. First things first, make sure you have the Bitget wallet installed on your PC. If you don't have it yet, head over to the official Bitget website. Download the extension for your preferred browser, whether it's Chrome, Firefox, or any other supported browser, and install it. Once installed, click on the Bitget wallet icon in your browser extensions toolbar. Enter your password and unlock your wallet. Now that you're inside the wallet, we will need to add the Buffalo network. To do this, navigate to the Networks section. You can find this by clicking on the profile icon or the settings in the top right corner. Click on Add Networks. In the Networks tab, you will see a list of default networks like Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain. We'll now manually add the Buffalo network. Scroll down and click on the Add Network. Then click on Add Manually. Now, it's time to enter the network details for Buffalo network. I've got the details right here, so follow along and enter them exactly as shown. In the network name, type in Buffalo Network. In the RPC address, enter the Buffalo Network RPC URL. In the chain ID, enter Buffalo Network chain ID. The token symbol is BUF, and the block browser is optional but recommended. Type in Buffalo Network Explorer URL and hit confirm. Once you have saved the network details, you'll be taken back to the network screen from here. You can switch to the Buffalo network by selecting it from the network drop-down in your Bitget wallet. Congratulations! You have successfully added the Buffalo network to your Bitget wallet. You can now send, receive, and interact with BUF tokens and dApps on the Buffalo network. And that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Financify for more crypto tips and tutorials. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.